Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to spice up your footer when you're making your design. In case you don't know what a footer is, a footer is a section in your design. It's usually at the bottom of your design. It's where you display certain information like your contacts, address, your phone number, your call to action, social media handle, stuff like that. That's what a footer is. So I'm going to show you how to spice it up. But before we get into the video, I'd like you to like this video, comment, share it to someone you know might need it, and of course subscribe to the channel. Now let's get right into the video. So I'm going to create a new file, and it's just going to be a normal social media size 1080p by 1080p 72 resolution. So let's create. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a square. So because your footer is usually like a rectangle, right? We're going to make it like a dark green. So we're going to use our curvature pen tool. We're going to enhance this rectangle a bit. We're going to drag down here, then we're going to raise here up. So just click and drag, and now we have the shape. Okay, next we're going to bring in kind of like a pattern. Right, so I'm going to bring in this pattern. So let's increase the size, and we're going to clip it. So you can just hold your Alt and click in between the pattern and the shape and the rectangle, and it's going to clip. Alternatively, you can right click and look for create clipping mask. Alright, so now we've clipped it. We're going to change the blend mode to hard light. We're going to reduce the fill to 10. Alright, so now we're going to create a new layer, and then we're going to click that new layer, right click and create, and we're going to create a clipping mask, and then we're going to select our brush tool. Alright, you're going to make sure that the soft round brush and your hardness is at 0, opacity and flow of the brush are both at 100, right? And then the color of our brush is going to be a darker shade of this green, or should I say a darker tone of the green. Alright, so we are going to zoom in, and then we are going to start gently painting along the edge of the shape. Right, along the edge of the shape. In case you want the hex code, this is the hex code 51F526. Alright, so you can just be shading along the edge of that shape gently. Alright, you can see how I zoomed in so that I'll get it accurately. Alright, just shade carefully. Carefully. We're almost done. Alright, we're done. Then secondly, we are going to change the brush color and to an even much lighter tone of that green. And look at the hex code here, you can copy it. Then we'll create a new layer and we'll also clip that layer. So right click and create clipping mask. Then we are going to repeat the process. We're going to zoom in, and we are going to shade on top again with the lighter shade of green. Alright, we're just going to do it as carefully as we can, and you're going to see the effects when we're done. So you just keep on shading and shading until you get to the end. So it's good to take your time so that you don't mess it up. And we're at the end. Right? So now we're going to click on the first one, and we're going to change the blend mode to screen. Click on the second one and change the blend mode to screen as well. And you can see the effects. It has created kind of like a 3D effect it kind of looks like we added emboss to the shape, but no, there's no emboss. It's just our brush and color that we used. So you can see we've effectively spiced this up. You can select your text tool. You can come here and write whatever and change the color to white. Crazy size. So you can see that this can serve as a footer. So instead of just creating a normal square, you can create this instead, and it's bound to capture the eyes of the audience much quicker than a normal square. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new, and please like this video, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also watch any of the videos popping up on your screen if you want to learn more. Thank you for watching.